The CDC is asking pediatricians to be on the lookout this fall for a respiratory illness that in rare cases can lead to paralysis in children.
Enterovirus is a common respiratory virus that in most cases looks like the common cold, but it's what sometimes happens after this virus that has doctors concerned.
I spoke with Dr. Harlori Bains, who says that parents should not panic and the medical community is already on alert.
For some reason, this virus can, after the infection itself has resolved, the acute symptoms like the cough, congestion, or fever have resolved, about a week later, this can trigger what we believe is a neuroimmunological or autoimmune response in the body that can affect the nerves and can then lead to symptoms of paralysis.
That condition is called AFM.
Acute flaccid myelitis is sudden onset weakness in one or more limbs, and it can progress over a matter of hours to days. It is considered an emergency. So if parents were to notice this in their child, we would want them to bring them right to the emergency room for evaluation. As frightening as it is, and as much as it is being talked about this year, because this is a year that we are watching for a spike in these cases, it is still very, very uncommon.
Dr. Bains explained that they tend to see a spike in the D68 and A71 enterovirus strains in even number years. But why? It's something doctors are still working to understand.
As far as understanding why certain individuals tend to be affected with the acute flaccid myelitis, that is also something that we don't understand fully.
Dr. Bains says children 3 to 6 are most often the ones impacted. Here's what she wants parents to know.
You have a medical community behind you who is on the lookout for this. By and large, it's still very rare and very uncommon.
Dr. Bains says if your child has cold symptoms that don't resolve, call their doctor. If they're experiencing unusual weakness, head to the ER. Now, to keep this all in perspective, according to the CDC, there were 238 confirmed cases in children across the United States back in 2018. Now, 2020 was an anomaly due to the coronavirus with only about 100 cases.